look what they left me here. Nice plants. And we got this orchid. This is a Christmas tree. I think it has all the pieces. I don't see nothing here. I'm gonna take this too. Let's see you the next one. Let's see what we can find here. Let's see what's here. This is nice. There's some shoes right here. Let me get the other one. Then I'm gonna take this container. It's kind of heavy. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this. And this, I'm gonna take it too. This is a heater. Hopefully it works. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what we can find here. Oh, there's shoes. There's more right here. Let me take this chair. Let's see what they left us right here. Wow, look at this. It says free, it still works. It's a nice refrigerator. looks new. It comes with the cables. Should I take it? It doesn't seem that it's heavy. There you go. Now it's time to go. Let's see what we can find here. Oh wow. Look at the shoes. Candlelight. Planters. I'll take this light with the flower. Take this basket and this planter. Hat right here. Anti-freeze and coolant. Oh, these ones are nice. I just need to paint it and that's it. Baby clothing. Some nice sweater. Okay, now it's time to go. Let's go, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna take all this to my car. I'll see you in the next one. Now let's see here. They left us a toaster. Okay. let's go. All right, let's see what they left us right here. Oh, it's a nice grill. Check this out. Wow. So I can barbecue something right here. I just gotta clean it up and that's it. And it has the wheels and a little shelf. This is a blessing. Okay. Let's go.